If you have been struggling for any length of time to get pregnant, the whole process can become frustrating. Doubts begin to arise, and as a result stress starts to creep in. In the back of your mind you may be questioning everything, wondering if you will ever be able to get pregnant. As a consequence you may start to form conclusions which have no basis in fact. I can be a bit of a worry for myself, so I can understand why you may be frustrated. At this point it is necessary to take a little time out. Sometimes you just have to stop looking, then all of a sudden it shows up. I am not saying that this will be the case here, but at least when you take your mind to it you can begin to relax. Stress will not help you to get pregnant. You know the small things that make you feel warm and fuzzy. So do not overcomplicate the issue and keep it simple. Let us discuss the basics. Both of you need to be in good health. You do not want to have too much sex, as this can affect your partner's sperm count. Instead, have frequent sex at the most opportune times. Keep your sex life vital. Do not make it into some boring routine. Build up your sexual experience, as this will lead to a passionate finale. Finish in the missionary position. Do not use lubricants. Understanding your reproductive system is imperative. Hormones will be at play, which will release the egg into the fallopian tube. While this is happening, changes will take place with your body, such as an increase in temperature. Your cervical fluids will also change in color and consistency. These fluids for a short period of time may look like raw white egg yolks. Understanding this will help you to pinpoint the right time to have sex. As per usual, take care of your health. Do not drink coffee or anything that makes you hyper, which can lead to anxiety and stress. Eat lots of fresh fruit and vegetables and exercise. All of the above will help you feel better, and as a result you will relax and let nature do its thing. If you want a number of useful techniques and strategies, not just one, then select any of these links. Learn how to get pregnant. Get the free report on how to avoid 7 common mistakes and get pregnant faster. Eliminate the stress that comes from worrying about getting pregnant. Take control of your fertility.